Hey, where they go?
But you also.
Why you two they feel like that?
Why?
You no get hard. You dey work with Sakpanyanya.
Who they chase you?
Sakpanyanya. You dey work with Sakpanyanya, you dey fear. See you. You say you get hard.
But you why?
Why like what?
Where'd you take attire?
How many hours where you can't stay?
I did it like 1 hour.
You sure?
Oh,
that time they check my movement.
I call you to a switch off.
Oh,
why?
that will like there. I try my way long time. People know that line too much, so I try away. Oh, long time. It pass. I don't go feel remember myself.
And so which number they use?
You can make a tag give you.
Hey, they change your line like that. They call you switch off. They call you switch off. This one they use.
Because my business, so I don't go feel use one line. You understand me?
Slow business.
Which kind of slow business? Me Sakpanyanya, I know they do slow business. So now Takun business, how they do.
This is what every day. This is what they talk. Slow business.
This girl, I think you know they believe me, crowd.
Every day, yawa.
You know they believe me. Me Sakpanyanya, I know they do yawa things. So I know they do yawa things. My thing all where they do be jeje.
If you know be yawa, you see the way you run can here.
I shall that way I do like that.
It be loy.
No, I won't faint you.
It be loy.
I don't see say you get hard for this business. That's why I do that.
I want you to attire. I don't pick some move before the front here.
You sure? Make you know tell I dey here, they will watch you.
I hear.
Yeah?
You go vibe.
Sakpanyanya.
You see all the body words. Wetin dey do? I don't know. Then you for call your parents. Or carry them a number, give me that boy. Then if you know something, make a rush go there, pharmacy and go get you some medicine.
Charlie, you see this, doctor no prescribe medicine give me. I know they like that idea. So that thing go fit kill you easily. Well, I don't know what they do, so I don't just go fit talk you say go get medicine give me.
Are you there here they die? They make a go buy medicine, can't give me the talk.
I said I know they like that idea. Also, what they do you, man? Charlie, get up.
Don't worry, you will find what CIDB. If you turn up, you know we'll drop better food.
Charlie, if you don't get anything better, touch it.
What you there for hammer for food and this thing? See how you do yourself every day. If it's fried rice. Fried rice no go do anything, no. Or make I give you. I will go the Nima inside. I will find Ashish. You will find Ashish give me right now. I take and give you.
God punish your generation up.
Oh.
I want to go more for class today.
No sickness.
Charlie, help me out, man.
Charlie, you go die. You go die.
Take me to my hostel.
How? Charlie, you no get anything.
Charlie, my bag. What they do?
See how you do. How did you waste and they sick?
How are you going? Hello, Mocha. What are you doing here? I think that's the best question to ask you there. Mocha. Who are you asking me? I couldn't be the nurse. It's because you didn't consult the sharks. Be the sharks there. It's going to first, man.
If I may say, I can say you are rich.
I'm a rich.
Or you're a devil.
I'm Satan's sister.
Seriously?
Satan's assistant too.
This evening. What's up?
What's up? I'll eat buttons. Oh, what do you think? What do you want to do? What? I'll just eat
Babes.
that.
Babes. What's up, girls?
Cool.
Cool. Like, make I flow you small. Just make I flow you small thing. How fast? How you doing? I beg, see ya. I just want to see you. See, this is your friend. I dey feel I'm rough. Always, I dey tell them, but no dey reason my side. That's why I want just make you let me talk to her. See, no. The female. Your friend, yes. I dey feel am like, I dey feel am seriously. See, that's why I just want to make
Stop
you.
it.
Oh.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
No, it's everything okay with you.
Oh.
See, you're asking me a lady
Oh.
to report to
You
my
calm
family.
down. Calm down. Because I know they feel you. Yeah, babe. Oh, what's up?
Okay.
Fine girl. Fine. You see, if it the dread that they like, you see,
Which bed?
go free. The kind
Who
of free
is
hair
the
where you
free
get.
hair?
Oh, free hair where you get. I dey like.
Oh, is it that you've not seen it before?
No, but I've been talking to you. Oh, relax. Oh, my calm.
Ah, what
Why?
is it?
Don't mind him.
Don't have mouth. Can't you talk to her yourself?
Oh, but
Hello.
oh, Charlie.
So what's your problem?
You
Hello,
relax. Oh, I know why you two of you dey run for this campus
listen.
now.
How can we
Let's
ask
go.
me a lady to be posted
But-
to my follow list?
Oh, that one too, they happen. People they do, man. So what? Because I know they feel you.
Quiet over there. Let me think about myself.
See, you're driving yourself.
Next time.
Don't
Mommy.
mind him.
Okay,
Hello.
see.
Thank you.
Thank you for what? Thank you for what, la?
Know what you're up to,
What am I up to?
right? Thank you. I'm
Fine girl. Yeah, the old free hair, they like and walai. Hey, they make my hair scatter. Oh. Hey, Eric. Why me Rachel like that? What's up? Why? Yeah, what's up? Why then break your heart? What's up? I make sure. What happened? Why no go fit talk?
Charlie, I want sort something out, but Charlie, I broke. Wait, I don't get anybody I will ask for money. Make it take help. Make I take sort that thing out.
Where finally? Call Poppy now.
I call house, but Charlie, nothing better, Charlie. So I just want to see you. Easy, they can you. They can see you. Maybe find something.
As you can see, I dey go class. I get accounting class, bro.
Understand you, but if your help I need, I just want to make you help me. Make you find something for me. You understand?
How much?
I want to make you borrow me 2K.
2K.
See, I swear, see, if they send me money now, you be the first person I will sort out.
See, I know you. The last time I borrow 1K from you, never pay.
See, that one can be
It's okay, I beg. Ma push and give you. The same MTN number.
How do you know that?
I will push and give you.
I will do 125.
Mas, you know go pay, so forget that thing. I will go.
Shall I receive a letter? Shall I do all? You understand?
Get out.
They tell me something. So if I don't pay, the money enter my account is I do.
I'm not saying no go pay. So I don't give you something you give me back. Get out. Go pay.
If I pay this money, I dey craze. Me make a pay you. Charlie, I let not Tom.
Are you done? Are you done talking? By the way, who you be? Oh, you no wan talk me. But if you want to be alive on this campus, then don't call this line again. Never call this line again. Do you understand? Nonsense. People be some boy wey call me, they threaten me. I don't know how to.
Or it is your classmate.
Don't worry. I know how to handle this. Okay? Make you no worry.
Okay.
I go handle
No
am.
problem.
Don't worry.
Are you watching it?
Oh, I think they take some few shots. Relax, bro. You man.
Stop that thing they do. You know the reason why I call you for this place?
Just some few shots, bro.
Make us see.
Or make
You
us
not snap me. Make us see.
Oh, no, not snapping.
Let me see. You not snapping.
Nah, not snapping. I will do that. And then they take the environment.
I can like you
And they
try
take
snap me. I go
creative
spot this
activity.
camera. You get lucky.
How you do
Put
right?
that one aside. All joke
Yes, they
aside.
behave some way. One shot I will take, but then you vex.
You know why I call you? You see, for this campus, they do fine. They watch your move. But you see, I don't want to introduce you to something. You the bag. I found out say Charlie, you the hustle but the money no they come top.
I mean, if I pass here right now, I do back. I will get
Forget
money.
that one. Forget that one. But your money no go be enough. You need backup. You the bag.
I get backup. I get plenty backup. Even God self, even my main backup. But me, I no dog am. I just say, they do me hours once.
Small boys, they talk small picking talk. What are they try talk you to say? I the one link you to something. You the bab. Make you get something out of something. You the bab.
Me, I make okay what I do.
See, okay, make I go straight to the point. I want link you to some business, and the business, this be the business matter. They come talk. You will be evening business. It be evening business, and the money you will get.
Who for this one they do business in the evening? Business in the evening. Ah, my guy.
You know they understand where I they go. Make I go straight to the point. I want link you for my group inside, and it be evening business. Hey. See, come close more, make I talk.
Evening group business.
Come close more, make I tell you something. You see me at the joke for this place.
Hey. You today, hey.
See, this thing I want to tell you now. If I hear from anybody, you see this thing?
Hey, Charlie, why? About you say they can't tell me something, they can't.
I go use this to come out your eye.
Why? What are you doing?
I go come out your eye. What I want to talk you?
You say
It
business
be
now.
nice business. Come make I talk you. You the crazy, or you want make I come out your understand?
Night business. Then they can't.
But if you dey go, if I dey work out for this campus, anybody watch me, any suspicious?
Me, I no go join. Go do your night business. Only you don't want to do night business. Night business, they can't show me night. Say night business. I no go join.
If I hear queen, I say I go come out your eye.
I no go join.
Job. What type of job is that?
Wait, sit down.
Wait. Oh, continue the job. Aren't you happy for me? I'm happy for you. So let me see. Let me show. Wait. So why you sad? But you say you've gotten a job. So show me what
I have
happened.
to pay money before I get the job.
Which type of job is that?
I've told you already. I need to pay money before I get the job. But this
You have
thing
to
doesn't
pay
make
money before you get the job.
yes. This doesn't make sense.
I don't
How
believe
can-
this. Are you sure?
Yes, watch. And this is the other one too. Let's check the other one.
What
That
is
one-
it about?
That one too, I need to be trained for 3 years before I get a job. Why should that happen? I'm schooling. I know what it is. That's the main reason why I'm in school. And I can do it. But I don't know. Why should that
You
happen?
think that's the only job?
Yes, it's true. Can't you see? The other one, I need to pay money before I can get the job. The job that I'm going for, that I'm going to work for, I need to pay money and get it. And the other one too, they have to train me for 3 years.
Before you get the job. So what are we going to do now?
I don't think I can do this job because this I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. Why? Why must it happen? What's going on?
Why? Why you make me chess? You chess? Why?
I tell because of you are the teller.
You know, say I know they like that.
You
You make me
bomb me.
wait.
Why they bomb me like that? Why they bomb me?
Why
Always
make
I
I
dey
know?
talk you say if you are the talk, you make you no bomb me.
Okay, fine. I get important issue we make we discuss. The thing be say, you know say we finish school soon. Back. So I want make we start our marriage talk.
I hear you.
Okay, me, I want classic. You know classic.
I know.
Look, I want classic wedding. Like, I want immediately after school, down marriage. So let's talk your own.
Sure. Make I bomb you something. You say in this way, not be all marriage be marriage. Not be all marriage be marriage. You go see somebody go do pee tomorrow then they stop. No. Marriage be traditional marriage. If you go out, me and you will go house, go see your mother, go see your father, then we sit down, we do everything. And why they talk there? Me, I don't understand what you mean.
Which one be traditional marriage?
It be the better one.
Make you sure that thing, make you sure.
I dey tell you truth. It be the better thing. That one be the better thing. The one you dey talk about pin. That one it goes. You see.
You cry. Wait. So after all this while, you know say me I want classic marriage. Now you dey talk traditional marriage. It be classic marriage or never.
So who talk that thing to your brother this thing? Or do you think about yourself, or will somebody confuse your mind, say make you tell me that matter?
My guy, I go talk am again. It be classic marriage or never.
Me Sakpanyanya, I'm not going to do that thing. What did they tell me? I say we go house. You agree or no agree?
Fine. As I talk already, I no go agree. So I no know cry. Wait, look at me fine girl like this. If you sure give me.
Doesn't matter. If you got another boy, go fit go there. But me Sakpanyanya, this campus, nobody go fit collect you from my hand. I dey talk. Now me be that. Now me be Sakpanyanya. Nobody. I say nobody go fit collect you unless me. I say I let you. I dey go find something sharp.
You know that Mickey guy?
Mickey.
I forgot that guy. What that guy they do for campus? I don't know what he go do himself.
That guy they bomb himself. They carry him body, they move around.
I just say he be that aba. I sure parents say that Mickey guy.
I mean be that aba, you don't know say be that.
I don't know why the girls them they follow him.
I forget that. Girls. Those girls, you know, be proper girls. What did they see? Freshness.
Hey, you sure say you know they feel that Mickey guy.
That guy know the fresh girl. No fresh girl.
Hey, you that talk.
Oh, you they fuck.
Wait till they talk. Yeah, I know they feel now. I know nothing. The way they walk self cry, they bomb me. That Mickey guy.
You
I don't talk
body
to
stuff.
myself.
Now they check out.
So let's make we go now. Yeah, I guess on my assignment before. See you later.
This time we have to help me because I've not been in classes more at times, so I'll be happy if you can help me to pass my exam. If I fail, no, my people will laugh at me because now I dey play shows, so people can know me and more fast. So I beg this one there, do not go feel help me pass my exams. If you fail me, no, I die. People will laugh at me. So this one there, I'm appealing for that.
You know, academic music is a little different from the commercial music that you're working on. Talent is talent, But at the end of the day, there are billions of talents. But how many of these billions of talents do we even see? I hope you know where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Yes. You need links.
Yeah, I need links.
You need connections.
Great.
You need promotions. You heard about what they call the kickback? Kickback. Mm-hmm. You are in Ghana, you don't understand what I'm saying. So we don't say it loud. This is something that we keep under to. This is just between us. You know, nothing comes for free. Free things are really very, very expensive, you know? So you should understand what I mean. You need a favor, right?
Yeah, I need favor.
Yes, you are not a woman.
Yeah.
If you're a woman, it's different.
Yeah.
Maybe the choices of a woman or the desire of a man when it comes to the choices of a woman is a little different. We are not talking homosexuality here. We are talking man and man business. So you should understand. Something must go down on the table, give and take. Then you can get some support. I mean, let's call a spade, you know? You've got to dip your hands into your pocket. Put something down. I don't want to say A or B, C, D. No. Look at me. Look at what I'm capable of doing for you. Look at the value of what I can do for you. And make sure that you put what is just equivalent to that value. And then we can all smile. Hango. Thank you.